jumper since then.
How does that make you feel, Kaz?
And now, we got Desiree. She is gonna jump once she can get off her knees, like the woman she is. Come on, Desiree. Come on. Jump, motherfucker. Jump. Dad ass. We can't get her off.
You just fall backwards.
How's it going, Ray? Okay, Kaz, you've already had your chance at this.
I can't get forward.
He has a sticky butt. Oh, we got the simply complicated man right here. He is simply complicated.
Climb!
He is trying to climb the Velcro mountain. Okay, someone let the tool man into one of the suits.
You can have your turn.
Fuck you, Kaz.
Do it again. Do that twice.
Go. And Kaz is stuck again, but his fat ass. What? Of course. But yes, Kaz is so fat he was able to just fall. Okay, Ray. Ray, you are the now filmer.
Okay, got it.
Hold Kaz's phone. Ronnie, would you like to try it?
Yeah, give me a minute. I gotta film him getting in the suit, remember?
I'm used to slipping into tight things.
That's what she said.
I bet you are. It's because he's so small. Huh? Switch.
Desiree, go for it!
Oh, hold on, let me put on shoe. Climb! Climb! Are you stuck? She's happening.
Ow, ow, ow.
You need a hand up. Would you like a hand up? Woman laying on ground. She's on her knees. Typical woman. All right, Ronnie. Wait, let me get Hunter real quick. Come on, now actually give us a jump. And now to rock. Oh, this was riding up on the crotch. I know, right? It's painful.
Off climbing, but it just didn't work. Like, did it actually move at all noticeably?
Yeah. I saw your arm go up a little bit. Ronnie, attack him. Just fall backwards. Simple as that. Tear your arms free and fall backwards.
Or at least swing, freeze.
Ronnie! Ray! Whatever! Go!
You belong down there.
All sorts of fail.
Come
Try
on.
and make wax hands.
Yes.
Make a wax mold. I was kidding.
Party rock tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' rock and roll your mind. And just have a good time.
Everybody clap.
Attack and help.
What are the penguins?
Stand still.
Stripper!
I don't know what they're doing.
I don't know what he's
Now to make one. Now to wax
White
hands.
boy and I can't dance.
Here, we're making wax hands. Wax hands? What? Oh wait. I don't think I'm supposed to be dancing while I have this.
No lighter on Zeppelin.
Huh.
Hey, no.
Well, how was that fast? Oh, I should have been. Oh well. I wonder if this is even good enough to pick us up. Run it, Ray!
I'm done.
Okay. So long, YouTube.